Prince Harry does not blame Queen Elizabeth II for backing an alleged secret phone hacking deal between the royal family and Rupert Murdoch's newspapers, the High Court has heard. The prince alleges there was a private arrangement between the monarchy and the publisher of The Sun to keep the royals out of the courtroom. Harry's legal filings suggest his grandmother knew about the deal, under which the royals agreed not to sue the newspaper publisher in return for receiving an apology and settlement at a later date. Murdoch's company, News Group Newspapers, NGN, denies there was any such deal. On Tuesday, the High Court was told that when NGN failed to apologize, Queen Elizabeth personally threatened it with legal proceedings over phone hacking, only for her efforts to be undermined by the then Prince Charles. Harry's searing witness statement, in which he also said that Prince William received a previously undisclosed payoff to settle a phone hacking claim, prompted suggestions that the Duke had scuppered any hope of a reconciliation with his brother and father when he attends next week's coronation ceremony. Harry's barrister, David Sherborne, told the court that the prince understood why the royal family had agreed to a deal. If it needs to be said, and apparently it does, this is no criticism of the Queen or his family, and he accepted it because he had to. Sherborne said that Harry had been kept out of the loop by the rest of the royal family on the existence of secret deal, only learning about in 2012. The lawyer told Mr. Justice Fancourt that Harry had asked him to express his frustration at not being present at the High Court, but he had been unable to travel from his home in California. Sherborne, speaking on day 2 of the hearing, added that Harry was coming back for his father's coronation and would be in London when his separate case against the publisher of the Mirror goes to trial next month. He is also following by video link despite the time challenges, Sherborne told the court on day 2 of the hearing. In a potential blow to Harry's case, the judge overseeing the case said he was troubled by an inconsistency in his allegations. Harry claims he knew about the alleged secret deal that prevented him bringing a legal case against Murdoch's company in 2012, while also claiming he only fully appreciated the scale of phone hacking properly in 2019. Murdoch's company argues Harry waited too long to file his legal case, as he should have realized he was a potential victim of phone hacking at the time. By way of mitigation, Sherborne said Harry was serving in the Army at the time of many of the key phone hacking revelations and had limited access to publications that were reporting on voicemail interception at the News of the World and other outlets. The lawyer said, he was on active service in Afghanistan and they didn't have The Guardian. As 2023 gathers pace, and you're joining us from Bangladesh, we have a small favor to ask. A new year means new opportunities, and we're hoping this year gives rise to some much-needed stability and progress. Whatever happens, The Guardian will be there, providing clarity and fearless, independent reporting from around the world, 24/7. Times are tough, and we know not everyone is in a position to pay for news. But as we're reader-funded, we rely on the ongoing generosity of those who can afford it. This vital support means millions can continue to read reliable reporting on the events shaping our world. Will you invest in The Guardian this year? Unlike many others, we have no billionaire owner, meaning we can fearlessly chase the truth and report it with integrity. 2023 will be no different. We will work with trademark determination and passion to bring you journalism that's always free from commercial or political interference. No one edits our editor or diverts our attention from what's most important. With your support, we'll continue to keep Guardian journalism open and free for everyone to read. When access to information is made equal, greater numbers of people can understand global events and their impact on people and communities. Together, we can demand better from the powerful and fight for democracy. Whether you give a little or a lot, Your funding will power our reporting for the years to come. If you can, please support us on a monthly basis from just $2. It takes less than a minute to set up, and you can rest assured that you're making a big impact every single month in support of open, independent journalism.